Me know you understand? Say this and this and such and me know say you hear say that and that. But this is where it is coming from. Explain to me, say Rose a troll up on the stage. Explain everything to me so me know how to properly address it. The first thing we do a click live as friends. I mean understand Candy frustration and everything because if I did me a there and then she'll go get it.
Yeah.
Cause it different with me like that.
Full time on a drop Rosalie for true. Everyone at TikTok at them for drop her car. Rosalie I gonna
nobody's going to do it.
I'm
I'ma tell you this. I'ma tell you this. The
blood of Jesus.
energy, him. You see the energy when me see or them put out for we as bigger influencer.
Yeah.
Remember we a girl we I did from a long time. I see the
Long
energy where them put out for we, them don't put it out. And I be a fuck Rosa keep up on the internet. And nobody now run our way, brother.
You see, Rose will never stop being Rosalie.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set with bliss. You also know the story incomplete, minute upon a beat, and you can see part of the screen. PTR has teamed up to bring ROSEALEE down. People putting out the comment section where you think about that because I think it's totally uncalled for. You feel me? I don't think ROSEALEE and Candy did anything wrong because they spent good money on these cabanas, you know, purchasing to go to Rebel birthday party and nothing happened. You know what I mean? Anything happened afterwards, that's afterwards, you see what I say? And that is none of Rebel business. So I don't know why they're trying to make it seem like they're the victim, you see me? And she didn't have these energies against Ramesh, who, you know, sent police for go almost kill man that had dance and them thing that woman, you see me? But nevertheless, people, the girls are out and about and they're bringing down ROSEALEE. So that's like, I can share the video from now and let's proceed.
Number one, she get on the ranking Saturday after she mash up Rebel Party. Number one, so you think she gonna stop them something, yeah? Every time she carry judgment, them put her up. Them enable her. Yeah, segregate herself from them rebels. Segregate herself.
And a she trouble Candy. A she trouble Candy.
Segregate herself from her. ROSEALEE does so much stuff on the app. ROSEALEE tell like on Jaden, could Jabas and still really there on ROSEALEE. Look what ROSEALEE do and look at people life. ROSEALEE put in a disrepute and fabricate story upon them and still there on her. Come on, man, we are human and we have to have art and drop ROSEALEE, make she go think. Keep everybody for drop her and make she go think about herself.
Beat a man and give him right.
Pretty last week, I tell her the same thing in Florida last week, Pretty.
You do right, and it's just
ROSEALEE for go one side, brother.
Pretty.
So bad for Candy.
Last week, I tell her the same thing in Florida. Yeah. With ROSEALEE.
Brother, when I see Candy sit down in a dog, Rebel Mama tell her this. We have to know who rate from who not rate. When you see Candy, brother, Candy rate down to the ground where you walk on, bro.
The girl ball because she love Rebel. She ball.
She cry real high water and I felt so bad for her.
And ROSEALEE set up Rebel last night to make the internet come down for Rebel. And the reason why me not come and pull with the internet because you know me say Rebel from day one. Me can't cuss Rebel. Me have to just say Rebel or ROSEALEE, right? Me can't cuss a Rebel. You understand? If that somebody else, me name off them head. Because me not like Rose, you know? Me hate 9 and 10 Rose. Me not like Rose. But me I tell her she set you up for the internet bully right now. Everything where I get a ROSEALEE cause it. Everything. Everybody, Rebel this, Rebel and wicked, Rebel and hypocrite.
We can never make arrangement and plans to go in after 3 down at the clock go fight. Why you want to fight in a Rebel? Why you never plan somewhere else? Why you want to come our party? Why you there on live? You want you go come at Dali so when you want to come at the woman workplace, sir. Bro, I genuinely like Rose and there's no doubt. Me the company me that I say that. Me the genuinely like her. But if you don't respect people and people craft and people work, bro, what you mean? And if they're on nobody's circle, yeah, mash up people's business. What you mean?
ROSEALEE nobody
Candidate come Dali Sunday last night. That fight?
To stay home. She not no respect.
Yeah.
Not no respect for her family. She not have no respect.
Nobody at all.
Nobody at all, bro.
Nobody at all. You know, if you make she stay, she walk with demons. The people that say she have no respect for
nobody at all.
Rebel have all person, brother. Rebel have all person, bro. What you mean? Wait till you go on your yard and drop a location and tell her meet you there.
Yeah.
And you see what happened last year. You still
Yeah.
want how much
Wednesday.
when you
No man, rebel
drop down
party,
on the
a
woman's
double
shoulder.
rebel
So
party, a double era. One them ears want ring up a stadium anytime rebel
I'm like,
party up
have
there.
a EM.
They
What
look
you
like
want the
rebel the
woman
referee,
do?
and she will say bing 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 fight.
And give a belt and medal. When you see what happened last year, you still want again? You have to hear the girl. Happy the woman can't wake up and happy and nothing happen. And I say yes. No, can't just happy with everybody. And then it
Rebel
just
are
takes
full
one
time
come
now.
and
You
then
not have to see the good in everybody. You not have to
yes,
see the good in everybody. Make them go on, bro.
Brother,
Make them go on.
you see,
You don't
you
need
see.
none of them. You don't need none of them. You don't need Rose,
No,
none at all.
she
You don't need Rose. I'm
she
not
know
gonna
that.
say none of them.
But
Because I don't want
there's
them
a
feel like some
walking
you talk
endorse
candy.
then.
Because brawling, me
Rebel.
not talk
People go
candy.
see you and
I
want to work
candy
with
me
you.
say me not like
Rosalie
Rose. I don't
can't
care.
get a
Brother,
collaboration because of Rosalie
Kim,
personality. Yeah?
Kim.
Eh?
You see, you can't take the pig out of the mud, but you cannot take the
Can't
mud
take
out
the
of
mud
the
out of the
pig.
pig. And
You
she's a
see,
pig. She's a real life pig.
Rosalie come with herself like that. I saw people for accept her. Stop to the good in her people. Anything them come with, just that them is. Bro, and a rebel like to see differently. Say
Yeah.
she should have this potential and she have that potential. Can be. No. I
Can't
saw
see
you
good
stay
in
and
a
I saw me
Rosalie. Let's
accept
see
you.
what she
And
do.
that's
But
the
can't
problem,
see the
bro.
good
And
in
that's
her
the
no
problem with
time.
them too, because them get too much chance with people. Them tread light, yeah?
First of all, Rosalie Bina do just wally. She's doing too much. And this lady have 2 children. She have 2 pitney. Remember, I pitney them go to school. Remember, say the pitney them know everything these days. Everybody have phone, everybody have TikTok. And all Rose carry herself, brother. And the things that must she say about the kids, them father, make me know say she not have no farmer moral.
The people,
Not
the
care.
people they hate Rose. You can't even talk about the pit them because the pit them right off Rose a long time.
You don't care
She
for
not
sure.
think about nobody, brother. She not think
You
about
don't
nobody.
care
She not
about
think about her kids. Them.
trouble, you
She
pitney
not
them
think
at
about.
school.
She not
You
think
don't
about
care.
nobody.
You don't care for true. She don't care
All
for true.
Rose think about her, they gift them on TikTok. That's all she think about her TikTok gift them. Nothing else. Nothing else.
And them same one, we turn them out,
Rebel,
say
you
left,
step
come back
outside.
and turn them out, say right. The same, them, all of
Exactly.
them.
Rose get too much chance
Same
for the
way.
app to bring down people. Rebel is
Same
a
way. Only not
walking
care.
brand.
When people are do bad, drag them. And do
Yeah.
the most. And when people are do
Cancel
good,
them.
cheer them. And none of
No,
make
they love
people know
Cancel.
say
it.
them
Because
They
them
love
love
it.
baga
Them
baga.
enjoy
Them
it.
love
Wanna
baga baga.
Them
enjoy, bro.
enjoy it. When she
Them
sit
love baga
down,
baga.
when she sit down in her chair, run her phone, them love it. Them love it.
Cause
She
them
for
get
come
them
off of the app, man.
content.
Them fi see her live. She come live and report her live, man. Be a lie. She come over here, come tell the people them over here.
Enough is enough. And some things just have to stop, bro.
Yeah.
Christina, you hear me? Have to stop, brother.
Wait no dog, wait no. One thing my husband I like. Is you hear me?
Yeah.
And what do you mean I can't get them on Twitch, don't it?
Right.
Everybody love the friendship and everything, don't it? It's genuine, don't it?
And that a Rose
Yeah.
problem.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, something got so bluff. They no pre-story. They not say Rebel probably disappointed or whatever. Alright, me I take the bashing then. We should have come out and say a Rose wrong. But when we don't actually know which part it has stem from, you know, leave me no choice to say Rose. I want a big pussy work. Remember, me bad for you.
No, not clear.
Why no? Why no? We not make it look like say me have hate towards Candy.
Yeah, you never like her from morning.
It was so genuine.
All right. Me tell you what the issue with everybody. Come see the video them and me have the same views. Come not go sit down right here so because Rebel everybody knows Rebel I'm a friend, but one thing me I go talk the truth. Only thing the people them they want you for come on the Rebel is just tell Rebel say tell Rosalie say Rosalie
wrong.
you're wrong.
Wrong.
And what you did to Candy, you should have never done it. You fuck because you come on my party with the intention for fight. And that's all the people them they want you do. That's all. That's all the people them they want you come and tell Rosalie say Rosalie because when you talk to Rosalie she don't even care.
She not care at that.
She not care, bro.
And the worst part, she go say, you go acid the local girl. You go acid the girl. You go, oh, you for acid the local girl. Oh, you for acid her.
Say.
Oh, you have to fucking anybody we talk about acid, bad mind.
I said serious?
Anybody we talk about acid, a bad mind. True, she see the girl with her shape and her designer body. Rose big like Tumbo Tug, no blood clot. And bad mind. Our insecurities lead her to be Rosalie.
Christina.
Yeah.
Christina Nelson, let me tell you this. Because you know I'm very close to Rose as well. But me and you come from walk up and dog beg dancing down on my money. As my schoolmate, as my dance partner. Let me tell you this. What is happening to you is an injustice and it is wrong. I said last year, you had your big party last year, the day after you have to come out with pressure to address the internet. And this year again, you have to come out, come do the same thing. And anybody take part in that. If wrong is wrong, anybody will take part in that, you don't know what, let the stigma upon our party last year, and come again this year again, for let the same stigma upon our event. And yes, she come out and never assess the situation properly. She have all right, because she a human being and she know her feelings about it. Same, she never got through the details for say who did wrong from who did right. She just knows that the altercation was between both of them, and she has to listen to the two on the frig up. That's how she feel in at the moment, but now she assess and she come back and she say what she have to say. It's wrong.
Like now, my
thing and she do our party. And how much money for invest in our party and all of a stigma now upon our party. So next year now people might say, me now go in because war might break out. And I always the TikTok of them. It's not Rebel Nation. It's not the love of them I love Rebel. It's always the TikTok of them. Last year, TikToker. This year, TikToker again. Give her a break. The girl that struggled through school in her own man. I know a Rebel from Rebel, I drop her transport in her back and I walk like a man in a listen to me, man. I'm gonna give her a break.
Spicy kind of so you go like you want to know my friend before.
And that know my friend. I wait to Spicy kind of
Queens girl from Queens. My mama meet you at JC this year. I'm the teacher of dance now.
Spicy girl, I wait till you done
Rebel, stop. But back to regular program now. Spicy Kana.
I'm foolish, this Rebel and I deserve this. After 60 party, everybody come out and talk about the vibe. Why after your party will come out and talk about the situation, bro?
She stay home in her accent, because you know what? I never see her acting at one party yet. I never saw her acting at one party yet. And Rosalie in a party, she must be so.
And want pre-war with people. The country really mash up. Everybody I try live good. And that's what the Rebel she like to see the good in her people.
No, some status, some can't beat her too hard. Come
like to see the good in her people.
Rose, I'm a girl. I'm going to tell Rose, and the people I'm a Rose I listen to sometimes is not the one them what she listen to. Come here, tell her, say, even Diamond, where the Diamond not there back a Rose. Nobody know what Rose I do. Nobody not know. Sometimes other people in the crowd and make a bag of nice a Rose head. Sometimes a Rose not take the instruction from who she listen to the people genuine love her.
Can when Rosalie pass her and say what she say? Diamond was the only person that tell her to level the vibes there and lego that. Rosalie no bother with that. Say if you're there on your friend and Diamond as a friend can't talk to you. You know see if you go fat girl and the mango.
No man, nobody body shame. I'm not do that to the
I'm not body shame nobody, brother. Whole heap of time Rosalie disrespect everybody. And she disrespect my friend. She disrespect my friend. Rosalie disrespect anybody. So anything Rosalie get, she for take it. Anything Rosalie get, she for take it because she style everybody. Rosalie no respect for nobody.
No, Rebel not deserve. Christina not deserve this. Last year after your party, the pressure they put your head after you done come out. The pressure they put your head for come talk about Ramesh and TJ situation. This year again, you not even get for celebrate good and say, oh God, my birthday. And you have to deal with the rose and candy. The pressure for your head, give her a break, man. Give her a break. Them don't know you know.
Everybody
know
you, Christina. Everybody are big people. We never see we walk up and in anybody party go fight or go walk. The first thing you look at when I'm sure nobody party now. So you no business, you don't care?
She don't care because she come again on the live again say she come at Dolly Sunday. Last night she never go at Dolly Sunday.
And she walk with acid in her
ensure
Christina says something.
Friend just call me. Manta just call me and say, Rose over there say, she know want my friendship and my name, her name bigger than mine. You see, Rose, let me tell you something, sweet girl.
You don't take me for that something here.
Rose, you see you see me, I'm this me forget from you. Me want you know say, this thing that go happen from you. As in, if you say certain things. But Rose, you cannot do me like the rest, Rose.
No time.
Me will beat you up. Me now go act like say, alright, me go bring you down and this and that. Me not do the
Well wishes, see, and well wishes again.
Me not do the something there with you. Skull.
You should evil answer Rose.
No.
Well wishes, just tell her big up.
You should even answer Rose on this right now because first of all, I'm not ask Rose.
You see melanin and TC keep melanin in there. You see TikTok of them are the weapons sometimes. Can you see melanin?
No,
she not attach herself with them.
Spicy corner, man, different caliber, y'all. You understand me? Different.
Me not like that, man. Me not like that. I'ma say
Nasty work. Now, here's a little bit what ROSEALEE had to say when these people were alive.
True. Cause me never suck pussy yet, so what kind of class me on the fina? I wanna do the things them. Me never suck pussy yet, you know? So me only know in a blood clot class. Me, I thought me never suck a pussy yet. So me only do in the class. Anyway, we're gonna leave that side and come back this so. Who did, when me are thinking can they fall out? Who did blood clot over here? When our sister chuck me say when she see me a rebel party, one wash go blood clot do. The whole on the seat here and hear it, you know. The whole of them see it and hear it.
And now we'll leave the link to that video in the comment section below. You should see on the screen. But boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify whenever I drop the latest though. Bless.